Hi, this is Accutek Car Audio and Visual in Winchester. Here's a video of a Defender 110 twisted, and we've installed a KENWOOD DMX 8021 DAB double DIN conversion. If I'll wait for it to start up, close the door, there we are. So all this has all been upgraded, so we've converted all the dash, so it will accept a double DIN, and put all the switches on the side here, so all the other switches like hazard and water jets, rear window and heated front window, etc. This has got camera input. It's also got all pre-outs for what we've put in as a subwoofer behind the armrest and a three-way component set. If you'd like to have this done in your Defender, then please give us a call on 01962 886 900. Thanks for watching.